New year, which means new trends, including taking care of our homes and really ourselves. So friends of the show, home and lifestyle experts Kathryn Emery and Chip Wade are here to show off the latest trends. Happy New Year, guys. What do you have for us?
Happy New Year! Kathryn and I are so excited for the new year. We have been scouring trade shows everywhere trying to find the latest trends. Now, Kathryn, one thing that both of us have found is easy ways of staying prepared. There's solutions everywhere.
That is so well put, because you know what we want to be prepared for? Any kind of water damage, any kind of flooding, indoor and outdoor. And Quick Dam has you covered everywhere. So how these work is, once water touches them, their polymer gel inside's activated. It swells up and literally acts as a dam to prevent any water damage. So think about inside, around toilets, around water heaters. They have these super absorbent mats for numerous instances. Let's go outside, though. The bags, we saw these at National Hardware Show. That's where we really fell in love with them, because they've got these bags that act like sandbags. They've got barriers that go as long as 17 feet. Gone are the days schlepping to the home improvement store.
Oh, that's right. Filling those sandbags. Oh, my gosh. Having them inside a sealed container on the shelf, being prepared. Absolutely amazing. Great stuff from Quick Dam. All right, speaking of staying prepared, you want to keep your batteries up to stuff to make sure your vehicles, your ATVs, your fun stuff like boats and stuff start. This is from Pulse Tech. This is an amazing technology. They have a patented anti-sulfating technology that keep your batteries in pristine shape. Now, it charges, but it also maintains. We've got the XC400 and 450, great for both lead acid and lithium-ion batteries. The quad link hooks up to the charger and allows you to charge and maintain up to 4 batteries at once. So it's just less stuff that you have to deal with. Now, the Solar Pulse is a solar panel that gives you the same type of technology to keep your batteries in perfect order without having to plug into AC power. And these solar panels, super rugged, you're not going to mess them up.
I love this innovation. You know, honestly, this can be a little bit intimidating, but Pulse Tech is so user-friendly, and I love that it can maintain all of your vehicles. All right, speaking about maintaining our house, to clean our house, it can be difficult to maintain. We are in the midst of a celebrity, though, ladies and gentlemen, not Chip Wade, the pink stuff. You've probably seen this online. It cleans literally everything. Heavy-duty applications, tires, appliances, everyday purposes, tennis shoes. But the pink stuff has an amazing bundle they're offering here. So this is their all-purpose cleaner. Think about any area in your kitchen that you need to clean up, grease, etc. The bathroom foamer is amazing on tiles, getting things done.
Oh.
Let's do it here.
Oh, man, it smells great.
Isn't it smell amazing? Because I want my house to be looking clean, but I want it to smell good too. Super effective. Gotta check out the bundle from the pink stuff. Get it done. Take care of your home, right?
That's right. Well, let's take care of our bodies too. This is Opu Probiotics, an incredibly powerful and tasty probiotic. It's kind of like a pixie stick for your stomach. You simply open up these little packages.
That's amazing.
Pour the powder right on your tongue and enjoy. In mint and also in mocha. They even have little chocolates as well. My wife loves these. A great little snack treat right before bed. What's great about these, though, is it just solves a lot of problems that a lot of Americans face. About 70 million Americans suffer with digestive problems. This is a great solution, super high quality, and veteran-owned and made in the USA.
You're singing to the choir here. I am one of those Americans that suffer from it. The one thing I also love, in addition to everything you said, portable and on the go.
That's right.
So I've got my mint, you've got your mocha.
Cheers to a new year. Happy New Year to you. You can find all of these and more at BeTheBestHome.com.
See you next time.
Cheers.